Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to The Explainer, everyone. Today, we're unpacking something literally game-changing, the Complete Content Creation Playbook by LearnEarn. This is basically the ultimate operational manual for the full content creation course. If you've ever, sat there staring at a blank screen, or felt totally crushed by the algorithm, or just wondered, how on earth do people actually make a living doing this? Well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to distill the core philosophy of this incredibly deep course and show you, step by step, how to go from absolutely zero to a highly engaged, monetized audience.
Right out of the gate, we've got to totally reframe how we look at this whole industry. Content creation is not a talent competition. It is a systems competition. If you take absolutely nothing else away from us today, let it be that one foundational belief. Seriously, it should instantly cure any of that imposter syndrome you might be feeling. Because the creators who build those massive multi-year audiences and actually pull in sustainable incomes, they aren't necessarily the most naturally gifted or charismatic people online. Not at all. They're just the most systematic operators. They stopped hoping for magic and started relying on mechanics.
To really get why this matters so much, let's look at two totally different mindsets. First up, we've got the mindset most of us start out with, the artist. Now, the artist waits for the muse to strike, right? They might stare at a blank wall for 3 hours, just desperately hoping for a lightning bolt of inspiration. It's this beautifully romantic idea, but honestly, it's a practically disastrous way to build a real business. Contrast that with the other mindset, the factory owner. The factory owner is all about repeatable systems. They keep the production lines rolling, whether they're feeling particularly inspired that day or not. Because when you build a system that just handles all the boring logistics, like when to post, what format to use, your creative energy is actually protected. You can pour all your juice into making the content genuinely great instead of stressing over the upload schedule.
So, if you're going to be that factory owner, you need an operations manual, right? And that's exactly what this playbook is. It's the ultimate blueprint for your success. It essentially teaches you to treat your channel like a highly efficient factory, to treat your audience like a valued community, and to treat your production schedule like a completely non-negotiable professional commitment. This isn't about just throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. No way. It's about engineering a well-oiled machine that's eventually going to run with minimal daily input from you. And that is absolutely crucial for protecting yourself from the burnout that takes out so many promising creators.
And hey, when I say this is a comprehensive manual, I mean it. We're talking 30 highly tactical chapters spanning over 260 pages of exact instruction. And what I absolutely love about this structured approach is that there's zero fluff. None. Every single paragraph earns its keep. Every chapter hits you with a specific learning objective, deep instruction, pro tips, an action step you need to execute within 48 hours, and a crisp summary. It's designed to be read strategically, studied intensely, and applied, like, right this second.
Now, here's a number that should definitely get you pumped. 0, as in $0 required to start this thing. The playbook proves that absolutely anyone can begin right now today by relying entirely on what it calls the compounding content principle. You do not need a massive budget. You don't need fancy cameras or a sleek, high-end studio. Your early videos, they're just investments in algorithmic trust, not these massive financial gambles. You're simply paying with your time and your consistency to build an asset that's going to compound massively over the next year.
And actually, speaking of those early videos, we've got to address the perfectionism trap. Listen to this. Your first 50 pieces of content are practice reps. They are not your legacy. Early on, the only quality standard that actually matters is that published beats perfect every time. Far too many creators will spend, 20 hours obsessing over editing their very first video, get completely exhausted, and quit before they even hit video 10. Just remember, the only reason you shouldn't quit early on is simply because the compounding effect hasn't even had a chance to start yet. You don't want to walk away from a winning lottery ticket minutes before the numbers are called.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where those practice reps should actually live. The playbook covers mastery across 6 major platforms. But here's the kicker. You don't just jump onto all of them at once. Instead, you use a strategic platform content audience fit matrix. This is make or break stuff, honestly. The biggest mistake people make is picking a platform just because they like scrolling it, instead of picking the one that fits their content format and their audience's actual age demographic. Like, if you're doing long-form educational stuff for 30-somethings, YouTube is your home. If it's fast-paced entertainment for 20-somethings, start on TikTok. You pick one primary platform, you hit a specific growth threshold, and only then do you expand.
Okay, so once you've picked your platform and started compounding, how do you actually make a living? We've all heard the dream, right? Making $10,000 a month. But the underlying math there is usually totally misunderstood. You don't just get one giant check from YouTube. Instead, the playbook unpacks a really smart 4-level creator monetization stack. It uses 7 distinct revenue streams to build a diversified portfolio. The sweet spot is aiming for a 60-40 split between passive income, think digital products or affiliate marketing, and active income, like brand sponsorships or coaching. That's the secret to building a resilient business that doesn't completely collapse just because one app decides to change its algorithm.
But hold up, before we get to the money, we have to talk about the danger zone. The data in this playbook reveals a pretty stark reality. There's an 85% quit rate among creators, 85%, and it almost always happens right between month 3 and month 9. This is that brutal stretch where the initial excitement is worn off, the work is a grind, and the compounding magic hasn't fully kicked in yet. You're basically putting in maximum effort for minimum visible reward. But here's the thing, if you know this is coming, you can mentally prepare for it. Push through month 9 and you're entering the top 15% almost by default.
So the crucial point is managing your expectations and having a rock-solid timeline so you don't burn out while you're in that danger zone. The playbook lays out an incredibly clear, brutally honest 12-month roadmap to hitting your first consistent $1,000 month. It completely destroys that toxic myth of making 10 grand in your first 30 days from absolute scratch. Instead, it gives you a realistic, step-by-step path that focuses on building a foundation first. Because if you build the foundation, the revenue actually sticks around when it finally arrives.
Let's look at how this actually plays out across a year. Month 1, that's purely about foundation. Getting the channel set up, nailing the brand identity, and just getting those first practice reps out into the world. By month 3, you shift gears into hook mastery, learning exactly how to stop people from scrolling past you. By month 6, you're launching your community space, turning those passive scrollers into actual loyal advocates. And it's this methodical, month-by-month pacing that carries you safely right through the danger zone, all the way to month 12, where you finally hit that first, beautiful, diversified $1,000 month.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the specific month 12 checkpoint. If you've actually followed the system, you won't just have 1 or 2 lucky viral hits to your name. You'll have a robust, living business asset. We're talking over 80 published pieces of content working for you around the clock. You'll have an algorithm-proof email list of over 500 engaged subscribers. Plus, you'll have at least 3 active revenue streams pulling their weight to generate that combined $1,000. You've built a machine. Now all you have to do is turn up the volume.
Which brings us right back around to the emotional core of this entire philosophy. Build the system, trust the compounding, the audience finds the creators who stay. It really is that simple, even though, yeah, it definitely isn't easy. Sure, raw talent might score you a quick viral hit, but consistency, remaining emotionally neutral about the daily grind, separating your creative ideation from your mechanical production, that is the stuff that wins out over a multi-year horizon. You just have to stay in the chair.
So I'm leaving you with this final challenge. Are you ready to stop treating your content like some weekend hobby and finally step into the role of a factory owner? The map is completely drawn out for you, but execution is what determines the destination. It is time to start month 1. Build your factory and jump into the full content creation course today. Just think about it. A year from now, what could your empire look like? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you guys next time.